In this video, we're going to show you how to create a patient questionnaire. Ask your patients exactly what your clinic needs to know before they arrive. A questionnaire is simply a set of questions you ask a patient to answer before they come in. A medical history, a pre-treatment checklist, a satisfaction survey. Velastria lets you build your own in just a few clicks. Let's make one together. Let's find where your questionnaires live. From any page in Velastria, go up to the navigation bar and open the Setup menu. Hover over Setup and the menu opens. At the foot of the menu, click All Settings. This is your configuration hub for the whole practice. On the Settings page, find the Patient Questionnaires tile and click it. This is the home for every questionnaire you build, kept together so they are easy to find. Let's scroll down to the Patient Questionnaires section, where you create and manage them. To start a new one, click Add Questionnaire. First, give it a name your team will recognize, then choose how to start. Begin from a completely blank questionnaire, or load Velastria's ready-made surgical medical history questionnaire, and tailor it to your clinic. We'll start blank. Then click Create and Build Questions. This is the builder. Just your questions, laid out the way a patient will see them. Let's add a section to group them, then put a question inside. Click Add Section, and give it a name your patient will understand. We'll call this one Before Your Treatment. Inside the section, click Add Question, and type it exactly as your patient should read it, such as, do you have any allergies? Now choose the kind of answer you want. Open the list and you can see them all. A simple yes or no, a text box, radio buttons, or a drop-down to pick one, a checklist to pick several, a number, or a date. For this question, a simple yes or no. And here's a handy touch. Tick Ask for details if yes, and whenever a patient answers yes, a box appears for them to explain. One question instead of two. At any point, click Preview to see your form exactly as the patient will. There is your question, the yes or no, and the details box that appears when they answer yes. Close the preview when you are happy with it. When it's ready, click Save. Your questionnaire is now ready to send, and patients fill it in from a secure link on any phone or computer. And that is how you create a patient questionnaire. Open Setup, then Patient Questionnaires. Add a new one. Build your sections and questions. Choose how each one is answered and preview it before you save. Just the questions you want to ask, in your clinic's own words.